Hi everybody, this is Jenny. Welcome to Miami Lit. I have another unboxing for you today. This is from a shop on Etsy, Sterling Ink, from Catherine. She's also here on YouTube and on Instagram, Sterling Ink as well. And I am so excited because she has the nicest things on her shop. I've never really purchased anything like this. Oh my goodness. Just because I'm stingy. No, I'm kidding. Just because I see all these shops and they have such amazing things, but there's so many and it's overwhelming just to choose all these kits and all these different things. And then Catherine's shop just is so much my style. It's so serene and calm, and everything just goes together so well, and there aren't these million kits to choose from with 1,000 characters, which it's super cute. I love seeing things like that, but I personally get overwhelmed if I'm trying to purchase them and then I just end up walking away because I know I'm weird. So I purchased 3 washi tapes, and I will link her shop down below. Oh, this is a little tougher than I thought it would be. I'll also link the ones that I specifically bought because those are the ones you're looking at here, in case you want to grab some for yourself. So Catherine is so nice. She shipped my stuff the next day so quickly. Okay, I'm gonna keep the one I did not wreck. Anyway, so I really like Catherine's style. These are very, like, you get a lot of washi tape here. Look. For example, this is an empty washi tape, and you get less, but there's quite a bit of tape. This one actually wouldn't be a fair choice to show you because I've used it, but I'll find another one to compare it to. And then this is the last one. This one I thought would be my favorite, but in person, I don't know. They're all my favorite. They're so pretty. Let me see if I can find, here it is. Look at that. It has gold foil. Okay, so let me show you on paper. Here, let me take my, here we go. Just lay some down here on my invoice. That is so nice. I feel like I say that about everything, but lately I've been lucky. Everything I've purchased has been good stuff. Look at the gold flecks. This is beautiful. I think this one was called Midnight. And I just, if you know me, white with navy and like splashes of green and yellow. It's like she made this with me in mind. Of course she did. And this one, oh my goodness. That is so pretty. It's like a watercolor effect. Wow. Look at that. The gold foiling is just so cool. Can you see that? I think you can see that. And then I got, here, let's put the tapes together so you can see. I got the vellum. Oh, there's a note. I get so excited when somebody handwrites a note for me. Are these stickers? No way. These are stickers. Wow, Catherine, these are gorgeous. I love them. Look at that. Oh, sorry. I'm very excited about that. And this is her card. I will also link all her information down below. She wrote, "Hi Jenny, thank you so much for your order. Catherine." Oh my goodness, I love this. You're very welcome, Catherine. I can't wait to go back and purchase some more because this was so fun. So I tried not to go crazy and order everything I saw, and I only got 2 vellum sheets. This white one, I just love how it's so dainty and minimal, yet beautiful and colorful. It's amazing. And then I got the pink one. Oh, this one matches this washi. So, here you go. And I got the pink one, which is so pretty also. You can see my hands underneath, so I'm just going to lay it down so you can actually take a look. And these I'm not going to use yet because right now I'm using my A5 Leuchtturm, this one, and I don't really care for putting stuff in between the pages too much. My previous one, I tried to add stickers and stuff and I just did not like it. However, my next bullet journal, which is this baby, this is the Style GB6 in the black, I forgot what he calls it. This is from Buteo Bunker, but it's the same as the Black Beauty from Cheek Sparrow. So I have a B6 Stalogy and a Lauren Phelps cover, and I'm gonna totally copy Dakshana and the other ladies and use my vellum in here. I'm so excited for this because I feel like with this paper, I would actually enjoy putting vellum and that kind of stuff in there. I use a Hobonichi A6 for my journal, and I enjoy. Here, I'll quickly show you that too. See, like in my journal, I think it's the type of paper and the binding. I don't mind how chunky it gets because of the binding. It's flexible enough. Here, let me move this out of the way. You see how it bends? It's flexible enough to accommodate for turning it into a chunky monkey. But yeah, here I put stuff in there all the time. Vellum, stickers, washi, cards, drawings for my kids. Anything I find that I want to hold on to, it goes in here. So I know I'm going to enjoy putting in vellum in my bullet journal, but in this way, not in my Leuchtturm. I don't really think I like that. So I'm super excited for this. It's going to be quite a while before I jump in here because my Bujo is, I'm on page 105 and the Leuchtturm has 250. So it's probably going to be until like November, maybe even December. And then I get to start here. How awesome is this black with the hollow from Lauren Phelps? I am so loving it. I will link down Retail Bunker as well. I think, don't quote me, I think he is out of this leather, which is a shame because it's really, really nice. I absolutely love it. But just in case there's something there that you like, he's amazing to work with. Anyway, this is about Catherine. So these are my goodies from Catherine. Thank you so much. It was such a nice experience shopping at your store. And I'm really gonna enjoy all these goodies. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I'd love to talk to you guys about all my journaling stuff and see what you are enjoying as well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.